Hello friend, I am here to show you how you can make animated number counter. So first question arises, what is basically meaning of animated number counter? So let me show you here. I have created a animated number counter. Here you can see a counter is just decreasing because here I have provided 10 seconds to complete this question. So in this animated structure also you can provide delay time. Suppose if you want to put delay of 2 seconds, then you can put delay of 2 seconds. If you want to put 1 second, so you can put 1 second. So basically this is decreasing number counter. If you want to show increasing number counter, so also you can do this. So this is basically animated number counter. So let's discuss how you can make it. It will take hardly few minutes to make this, means 2 or 3 minutes. So firstly what you have to do, here I have opened a blank PPT, so I can make you learn from scratch. So what you have to do, just let it. Okay, so I am going to discuss with scratch. Firstly, what you have to do, you have to click on insert, click on shapes and just take text box. Okay, so here I have taken text box and just edit number. If you want to make it in increasing order, so you can take your lowest number. If you want to make it in decreasing order, so you can take your highest number firstly, then other remaining number. So just follow step how you can do this. Now just do some formatting. So and suppose just if you want to show it like this, if you want to change its color, so you can do this. So this is formatting. This is first number. Actually I am going to show you in increasing order, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, if you want to show in decreasing order, so firstly you have to take 10, then 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. So here now you have to implement animation. So click on animation. Here you can see add animation. To click on this, firstly you have to select entrance. After selecting this, you have to change it with previous. Okay, now select again you have to implement animation for disappear, because firstly one will be present, then it will be disappear. So click on animation and here in exit click on disappear, and here you have to select after previous. Okay, and here just click on animation pen. So here you can see now this is time to implement your time delay. So click on this, click on timing, and here you can put delay. You can put 1 second, 2 second, whatever time you want you can select here. So let me select 1 second. I have selected 1 second, press OK. So your first letter is prepared. Now you have to make it 1 to 10. So just copy it and paste. Just write 2 here, again copy 3 here, and again 4, again copy 5, 6, here 7, here 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now you have to arrange this. So for arrange, what you can do, just click on home and select all. Okay, and click on arrange. Here firstly click align middle, everything is in middle. Now click arrange again, align and click on center, everything is centered now. So, your animated number counter PPT has been prepared. Just run it and you can check it. So, click F5. So, here you can see 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, this is not exact. You know why? Because some number of overlapping. So, it's totally depend upon your formatting, how you are doing your formatting. If your formatting is good, then you can do. Let's see. Just separate, every number here, here, okay. So, you can just press F5 again. Now, see, okay. So, everything depend upon your formatting, how you are good in formatting. If you are good in formatting, so you can make it. So, this is all about how to make animated number counter. So, what for formatting, what you have to do, select all the and arrange, align just middle, again align center. This is not center, if your formatting is good, all things should, one by one, means one should be overlap others, then it's look good as we want. Here you can see this basically tells there is some problem. Okay, so you can minimize your problem by formatting. So this is all about in this video. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.